Hey, welcome back! Today we are making the Golden Chickpea Power Scramble, a recipe from the 5-ingredient anti-inflammatory cookbook. Protein-packed, simple and ready in minutes. Let's go! So for this recipe I will need canned chickpeas, it's already pre-cooked, turmeric, cumin and some fresh spinach. Let's start with preheating the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. When the pan is ready, we can add our chickpeas. Just warm it a little bit and we're ready to add cumin and turmeric right now. Now it tastes so good because of the cumin. It's bring the perfect flavor to the chickpeas, to be honest. So at that point we need to squish a little bit. Let's put the heat a little bit less. Squish a little bit our chickpeas to have more creamy texture. You can take the fork, you can do with the wooden spoon as I do. So whatever option you like. We don't need to crush everything, just to have some soft texture here. Okay, looks good. Now at that point we would add some spinach here. Also we need to wait till it will be warm and reduce the size. It might take maybe a couple of minutes. I suggest to stir it just to make the spinach warm evenly. So we already see that it started to reduce, so maybe 1 more minute or so. Okay, I'm happy with this now, so we can turn off the heat and prepare the plate. I like to pair it with slice of toasted bread. It's a whole grain bread. So basically we are ready. So as you may notice, I did not add any salt here because sometimes the canned chickpeas can be salty. So I would suggest to add salt after you try it, and then we'll see do you need it or not, because it might be dangerous. Also at this time you can add some avocado slices to have more creamy texture here. Maybe add some lemon juice to maybe to strengthen some spices here. So whatever you like here would be nice. So I will first try for the salt. It's perfect one. I already have salted chickpeas, so I don't need any salt here. Maybe I would add some black pepper. And yeah, that's very good. I cannot say that it tastes like a regular scramble with eggs, but still it's a good alternative, and it cooked very quick, so it's less than 5 minutes and you have a perfect breakfast here. So thank you so much and see you in the next videos.